CPAP mask fitting guide. Find your perfect size today. If this is your first time buying a CPAP mask, or if your CPAP mask leaks, leaves red marks, or just feels wrong, you probably just have the wrong size. In this video today, I'll show you how to find your perfect fit in under 5 minutes. Hey there, it's Daniel, one of your CPAP experts here at Sleeplay. I know that the CPAP masks can make or break your whole entire CPAP experience. And I know so many of you are either confused as to which mask size to get, or are having difficulty with the one you have with things like waking up with a dry mouth, sore throat, or lines on your face. And I hear this all the time from CPAP users. It's super common. But once you dial in the right fit, it changes everything. Sleep quality, comfort, and even how much you stick with your therapy. So let's walk through how to find your perfect CPAP mask size, step by step. In the next few minutes, I'll show you how. Step 1. How to measure your face the right way for your mask type. The difference between nasal mask, full face masks, and nasal pillow masks. How to test for a proper seal without over tightening. And what to do if your mask still doesn't feel right. Okay, step 1, choosing the right CPAP mask. There are 3 main types of masks. Full face masks, which cover the nose and the mouth. Great if you breathe through your mouth or have nasal congestion. Nasal mask, which covers the nose, a solid middle ground that works for most people. And last, nasal pillows, which are super minimal, tiny cushions that sit in the nostrils. Best if you feel claustrophobic or wear glasses. Here's a tip. Side sleepers usually do better with nasal masks or nasal pillows, while mouth breathers may want to use a full face mask or a nasal mask with a chin strap. Let's move on to step 2, measuring your face. This is where most people mess up because they try to guess. But here's how to measure properly. For nasal masks, measure the height and the width of your nose and take this guide into consideration. Petite, 1.5 by 1.5 inches. Medium, 2 inches by 1.75 inches. Large, 2.25 inches by 2 inches. Now for the full face masks. Measure the height from center of your pupil to the just under your lower lip. And for the width, across your mouth in a relaxed manner. Small sizing, 3.25 inches by 2.75 inches. Medium, 3.5 inches by 3.25 inches. Large, 4.25 inches by 3.25 inches. Use a flexible tape measure or print the sizing guide from your mask brand. We'll link some of the most popular ones below. By the way, when you find the mask you like on our website, you can browse the resource on that page and you'll find the mask fitting guide for that specific mask style. It's a great way to get accurate measurements and find the right fit. This is also the case for Fisher & Paykel, ResMed, and Philips masks. Now, step 3, try before you tighten. Place the mask on your face without tightening the straps and turn on your CPAP machine. If it seals gently with little to no pressure, that's your true size. If you're cranking the headgear just to stop the air leaks, it's likely too big on you. If it pinches, pushes into your skin, or causes soreness, it might be too small. Some masks like the AirFit P10 come with multiple sizes in one box, called the Fit Pack. Super helpful for dialing in to find your perfect fit. Step 4, watch for sizing red flags. Take these signs into account to notice if your sizing is off. Leaks around your eyes or cheeks. No soreness or pressure marks. Waking up with a dry mouth if you're not using a full face mask, big red flag. Constant readjusting at night, red flag. It's not about getting used to it per se, it's about getting it right. And lastly, on to step 5, customize and optimize your mask. Here's how to tweak your fit. Adjust straps evenly and don't over tighten just one side. Perform a fit test lying down to mimic your sleep position. If you wear glasses, go for low profile masks or nasal pillows. If you have long hair, keep it outside the headgear to help with the seal. Still getting air leaks? Try mask liners. They add comfort and reduce irritation. And remember, facial features can change over time. Gained weight or lost weight, it might be time to remeasure yourself. Finding the right mask size doesn't have to be frustrating, but it does take a little effort up front. And once you get it right, CPAP therapy gets way easier. You sleep better, feel better, and actually want to use your machine. If you're shopping masks, remember, Sleeplay does offer a 60-day mask trial if it's not the right fit for you. Drop your mask fit questions in the comments. Like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who just started their CPAP journey as well. Let's make great sleep simple again. Thanks for watching.